Hello everyone!
Shut up!
No, today we're going to play a horror game called Maze, which is just full of jump scares. So, yeah. Here we go. So we're just going to look at this. Okay, so I think we have to go in the X thing, so where are we now? Oh no, we're on the X. And there's no way out, I guess. I'm just gonna go where I feel like going. But why is my light going off? There, good. Whoa! Oh my god. E. So where am I now? It doesn't even say where I am now. Okay, where should I go? I'll just go right. Oh, there's a wall. Maybe we can turn here right. So I went there. Yeah, so you have to go here. This game is just full of jump scares. I'm really scared, bro. Okay. I'm just gonna turn here. Just don't do a jump scare. Don't do a jump scare. I see something there. I know something's gonna happen. I know it. But just look at the map. I don't give a shit now. What's the code? I don't know. 3. What's the code? Okay. Fuck this. This is really fucking scary. Okay, I'm just gonna go here. Why did my lights just go off? It says like my light is on. There. Okay. What is this? What is this? Easter. Okay. Someone in their period there. Whoa! Just don't. Fuck. Stop. Just stop. Okay, I'm just gonna follow the period. You know, like any normal person would. Don't. See, my light just goes off for no reason. I'll just stop that stupid laugh. It doesn't scare me anymore. It's only that fucking woman. Okay, let's go. Whoa! See, now it isn't really scary now. Okay, I'm just going. There was something. What? Ah! What? the hell does that mean? Oh shit, I need the key. Gotta be kidding me. But look, there must be a door here. I'm kinda sure of it. But I have to go back. Oh. This really freaks me out. Oh. Well, that just goes out for no reason. Okay. Whoa! Just stop, lady. Just stop. I got enough of you, lady. Get out, woman. Woman, you don't scare me anymore, okay? Whoa! I told you don't scare me anymore, woman. Get the hell out. Woman. Okay, let's see. What the hell does X mean? I don't know, it must have been something to do with the map or something. See? Maybe it's just something to show them where I've been. Uh-oh. Just gone. Good. Good. Aw. Another key. I've been here. What the hell? What the hell? Oh no. Okay, the woman's just gonna pop out here. Okay. I didn't know it was that long. Huh? No. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Fuck this shit. Ah, a lever. A lever. 1 out of 3 left. Okay. This doesn't mean anything. Oh look, someone with their period. Okay, now that sound wasn't the same as the others. I was gonna follow the period like anybody did. They just went through the wall. I'm turning off my lights, but nothing seems to work. Okay. Here I go. Beep, beep. She's gonna pop out behind me. No? Well, that sounds happens. It means she's gonna just come to me. Come here, woman. Let me see. Come here. Okay, you don't want to come. Don't come. Okay, this means it's really getting scary. Oh. No, you gotta be kidding me. Whatever, I'm just gonna go back. Just stop with that shitty music. Stop it. Just stop it. Just please stop. You're freaking the shit out of me. Okay, I'm just gonna. I guess the only way I have to go is there. And that's, of course. Weren't there numbers here? I thought there were. Maybe this isn't the place with numbers. Yeah, look, it is. Yeah, there, see? So, looking at the stuff, I think I might be Yeah, there. I know you can't see, but I think I'm there. So the thing is, I don't at all know where you have to go. Maybe you have to go. Yeah, where do you have to go? That's a good question. Don't care, let's go. So I followed the period, nothing happened. So I'm just gonna go here. Was I here along there? No, I wasn't here. Whoa! What the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck? Come here, come here. What the fuck, what the fuck? That seriously scared the shit out of me. Whew. Okay, there's nothing there. Whew. Fuck. Whew. Oh no. I know something's gonna happen, I know. I know it. Whoa! Yep, I told you. Okay. Better to tell no, what's this? Well, that means I'm just gonna go back. Just gonna go here. Hope there's nothing here. Yes, there's nothing. There's just a wall that's just blocking me. Oh, I'm back to the right where there was the code. Means a woman's gonna pop out, right? No, no. I'm just gonna go here. Oh, this is where she didn't read. I should just put it next. Yeah. Just to show that I was here. I'm just gonna go here. Wait. Yeah, that place is there. Okay, it means I need to read. So I'm just gonna go here. Whoa. What? I just heard happy music. Okay, I'm just gonna go again. No, nothing's there. Okay. Normally I should be there. Normally I should go here. Yeah. I'm not so sure, but I think so. Anyways, gotta say goodbye, subscribe, and like, share, whatever. See ya.